Hola everyone, it's Jesus here. And before this video starts, I just wanted to quickly talk about the current situation that's going on. As most of you know, George, about this current situation right now, the US is really going through it. If you don't know, let me just give you a quick rundown. Basically, there's a man named George Floyd who was being arrested for supposedly fraud and forgery, even though the forgery was supposedly that he had a fake $20 bill he was going to pay his groceries, but I don't think he knew that. I don't think any of us would know just if we saw a fake $20 bill. The cashier called the police. The police came, and they were trying to arrest him. And one police officer put his neck on George's neck. Oh, by the way, George is black. If you know that already. But basically, a white police officer put his neck on George. George was laying on the ground, and the police officer had his knee on George's neck for about 9 minutes. I think we all agree that it's a pretty long time for a police officer to have their knee on someone's neck, regardless of race, gender, whatever. Um, but then after the 9 minutes, they finally called the ambulance, and he was declared dead. I think once they got to the hospital, and so that sparked people to protest about Black Lives Matter. I actually went to a protest last week. Protested about Black Lives Matter. I think the entire world, basically, the entire 50 states, 18 countries, I believe, witches, the K-pop stands, Amish people, even Anonymous joined in. If you follow me on any of my social media like Twitter, Instagram, I posted stories and tweets saying that I was going to take a break for a while because I wanted to not distract from the situation going on currently, and I still stand by that. But I still want to create content because it's fun for me and it's a nice escape. But I think right now we all need to come together and support the Black community. So in the link in the description below, I'm going to leave a master link that has a bunch of links to places you can donate, petitions you can sign. I'm also going to leave a link to a video by Zoe Amira, I think. I'm not sure if I said that. Oh, that's her name, but basically, if you don't have any money, but you still want to donate, you can watch her video. And in her video, just a bunch of ads playing along with a bunch of art and music by Black creators. And if you want to support her video, you can go watch that as well. Okay, just to clarify that, in her video by Zoe Amira is her name, she plays all the ads that's on her video. All the money that she gets from the ads, she donates to Black charities, Black petitions to help in Black Lives Matter movements, like for bail funds, to defund police. I'm not sure. Um, but yeah, all the ads that are in her video, the money that she gets, she donates to Black charities and other Black petitions, like bail funds for the protesters. Just want to clarify that. Moving on. But I implore all of you to help in any way you can, whether that's signing petitions, donating, or just spreading awareness, because I think we all agree that racism is evil, and we all need to fight against it. And I remember someone was saying that it's not enough for us to be not racist, we have to be anti-racist. We have to fight to make sure we eradicate racism from this world, because no one should be profiled, hated, or killed because of their skin color. And as a light-skinned passing Latino, I understand that I have privilege. And if you're light-skinned as well, you also have privilege, and we all need to recognize that. And right now, we all need to support our Black brothers and sisters, whether that's watching YouTube videos, buying merch, or makeup, or nail polish, clothing, anything. We just need to help uplift as many Black voices as we can, because this country has been experiencing racism for centuries, and it's still going on in 2020, which is crazy to believe, but we can't deny that racism is real and it's still going on. But anyways, help any way you can. Like I said, donate, sign petitions, spread awareness to your friends and family. But yeah, enjoy the video. Hola everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jesus and this is Weirdo Beauty. For today's nail art video, I'm going to show you how to get these easy and fun PlayStation nails. I'm first applying my base coat, which is the Peely base by Topcoat, since I'm not using any nail vinyls today. Next, I'm painting all of my nails black with a 1-coat black polish by Topcoat, since the default color for the PlayStation controller is black. The first nail I'm working on is the X button, and I'm taking a sky blue polish. The one I'm using is by LA Colors named Ocean View, and with a small nail art brush, I'm drawing the X in the middle of my nail. The next button is the O, or the circle button, and I'm using a red polish. The one I'm using is by Sally Hansen named Pucker Up, and I'm using the same brush to draw the O. Now I'm drawing the triangle button with a teal green polish, also from LA Colors named Teal Appeal, using the same nail art brush. Later on, if you see that the triangle changed its position on my nail, it's because I wanted to draw the triangle normally for the video, but for the pictures, since I take them from behind my nails, I didn't want the triangle to look upside down. And also because I messed up, so I had to start over. The final button is the square, and I'm using a dark lavender polish, also from LA Colors named Purple Passion, with the same nail art brush. Now on my thumb, I'm going to draw the PlayStation logo in color, and I'm starting with the P, which is red, using the same red polish from earlier. Also, if your P is red, you should probably get that checked out by a doctor. Now this is pretty hard to record on camera since it's on my thumb, and it's hard to draw details when they're not right in front of your face, so off camera, I'm going to finish the logo with the S, and it'll be a gradient of the same yellow, green, and blue polish from earlier. Here's how the final logo looks, and if you want you can skip this step and just do the regular buttons and it'll still be a fun manicure. The final step is to add a top coat, and the one I'm using is by Revlon, which is their quick dry formula, and I'm trying to be careful not to smudge the colors. And this tutorial is complete. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, watch another video, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. You can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at JesusCH with an extra U, and on Twitter and TikTok at JesusCH_, also with an extra U. I'll see you all in the next video. Adios!